turn your vision of a beautiful home into reality. Today, we're delving into the world of rustic garden design, and let's explore the essence of rustic garden design and practical tips on how to achieve this look. But before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button, or share this video to your friends and family. This timeless style celebrates nature's beauty and simplicity, creating outdoor spaces that are both inviting and functional, and we'll also discuss the ideal plant choices to complement your rustic oasis. Rustic garden design is a style that embraces natural elements and time-worn textures. It's about creating a serene outdoor space that feels both cozy and wild. Think weathered wood, stone pathways, and lush, unkempt planting schemes. There are many reasons why rustic garden design is gaining popularity. Here are a few of the key benefits. First, timeless appeal. Rustic gardens never go out of style. Their natural beauty and simplicity ensure they remain relevant for years to come. Second, low maintenance. By embracing a more relaxed approach to gardening, you can reduce the time and effort required to maintain your outdoor space. Third, stress relief. Spending time in a rustic garden can help to reduce stress and promote relaxation. The natural beauty of the space can have a calming effect on the mind and body. Fourth, eco-friendly. Rustic gardens often incorporate sustainable practices, such as water conservation and the use of native plants. Fifth, enhanced property value. A well-designed rustic garden can significantly increase the value of your home. How to decorate your rustic garden. To create a stunning rustic garden, consider these tips. First, choose the right materials. Opt for natural materials like wood, stone, and metal. Weathered and reclaimed materials can add a touch of authenticity. Second, embrace imperfection. Don't strive for perfection. Embrace the beauty of imperfection, such as chipped pottery and uneven stonework. Third, create a focal point. A focal point can be a water feature, a unique piece of garden art, or a stunning plant arrangement. Fourth, layer your planting. Mix and match different textures and heights to create a visually interesting space. Fifth, incorporate lighting. Use soft, warm lighting to create a magical atmosphere. String lights, lanterns, and candles can add a touch of romance. What the best plants for a rustic garden? Here are 10 plant choices that can elevate your rustic garden. 1. Lavender. Its fragrant blooms and silvery gray foliage add a touch of elegance. 2. Roses. Classic roses, especially heirloom varieties, can create a romantic and nostalgic atmosphere. 3. Hydrangeas. These lush, colorful blooms add a touch of drama and elegance. 4. Clematis. This versatile vine can climb trellises, fences, and walls, adding vertical interest. 5. Rosemary. Its fragrant foliage and culinary uses make it a practical and beautiful addition. 6. Sage. This aromatic herb is both functional and visually appealing. 7. Sedum. Succulents like sedum are low maintenance and drought tolerant, making them perfect for rustic gardens. 8. Ornamental grasses. Grasses add movement and texture to the garden, especially in the fall and winter. 9. Ferns. These lush, green plants thrive in shady areas and create a tropical feel. 10. Wildflowers. A mix of wildflowers can add a touch of whimsy and natural beauty. And to complete your inspiration for your next project, here are 10 inspiring ideas to help you create a stunning rustic garden. 1. The cottage garden. A classic rustic style, characterized by a profusion of colorful flowers, winding paths, and informal planting. Use a mix of annuals, perennials, and herbs to create a cottage-like atmosphere. 2. The woodland garden. Embrace the natural beauty of the forest with a woodland-inspired garden. Plant shade-tolerant ferns, hostas, and wildflowers, and incorporate natural elements like moss-covered rocks and fallen logs. 3. The Zen garden. Create a tranquil oasis with a minimalist Zen garden. Use raked gravel, carefully placed rocks, and a few well-chosen plants, such as bamboo and bonsai trees, to achieve a serene and meditative space. 4. The herb garden. A practical and beautiful addition to any rustic garden. Plant herbs like rosemary, thyme, sage, and basil in raised beds or pots. Consider adding a trellis for climbing herbs like oregano or mint. 5. The wildflower meadow. Let nature take its course with a wildflower meadow. Sow a mix of native wildflowers to attract bees, butterflies, and other pollinators. 6. The secret garden. Create a hidden retreat with a secluded garden. Use tall hedges or fences to create privacy, and plant fragrant flowers like roses and jasmine. 7. The edible garden. Combine beauty and function with an edible garden. Plant fruits, vegetables, and herbs in raised beds or containers. Consider adding a trellis for climbing vegetables like beans or peas. 8. The water garden. A water feature can add a calming and serene element to any garden. A small pond, a bird bath, or a water trough can attract wildlife and create a peaceful ambience. 9. The rock garden. Use rocks and stones to create a dramatic and low-maintenance garden. Plant drought-tolerant succulents, cacti, and alpine plants in the crevices of the rocks. 10. The vintage garden. Incorporate vintage elements like antique garden tools, weathered furniture, and antique pottery to create a nostalgic and romantic atmosphere. By following these tips and incorporating these plant choices, you can create a beautiful and functional rustic garden. Remember, the most important thing is to let your creativity flow and enjoy the process. For more inspiration and design ideas, be sure to subscribe to our channel, Homes Decor Designs. We'll continue to share tips and tricks to help you create your dream outdoor space. Again, thank you for watching this video. Hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Let me know what's your favorite design ideas in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, Homes Decor Designs. Hit and smash the bell button so you never missed our new informative and inspiring videos in the future. Thank you and see you on the next videos.